So then when did you realize that actually you do like triathlon and you want to have a go at this?
During COVID, or during circuit breaker rather, that was kind of, so I was kind of in between like swimming and triathlon, swimming and triathlon. So we breakaway organized triathlon. I remember Luke and Aaron Case were there. And Bryce, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so Luke, Aaron Case and
Like
Bryce.
an unofficial triathlon where
Unofficial
it's like a
triathlon.
training triathlon, right?
And it was still during circuit breaker, so we had to make sure we weren't like all. I think it was like 5 a group or something like that. So I remember this was so East Coast Park, swim, bike, run, right? So first actual like triathlon competition, and I thought this is really really fun.